Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to subscribe to market data on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be walking you through this in the client portal. First, log into the Interactive Brokers client portal. Once you're in, you'll see your main account dashboard. Next, look up at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a user menu icon that looks like a head and shoulders silhouette. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. Once you're in Settings, the page is split into two sections. On the right side, you'll see User Settings. Under User Settings, click on Trading Platform, then select Market Data Subscriptions. You'll now see a screen showing your current subscriptions, your market data subscriber status, either non-professional or professional, and your billable account ID. Now, look for the Current Subscriptions panel. In the title bar of that panel, there's a Configure icon. It looks like a gear. Click on that gear icon, and the Configure Market Data screen will open. At the top of this screen, you'll see tabs for different platforms. These are TWS, alternative display for things like NinjaTrader or Excel, and non-display for API trading applications. Click on the platform tab you want. Under that platform, you'll see region tabs. Select the region you need market data for. Once you've selected your platform and region, you'll see a list of available market data feeds. Each one has a checkbox next to it. Check the boxes for the feeds you want to subscribe to. As you select them, you'll see the pricing information display. Some selections might require you to review and sign agreements. After you've made all your selections, scroll down and click the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. You'll now see a review screen showing all the subscriptions you've selected. Double check that everything looks correct. If you need to make changes, click back and adjust your selections. If everything's right, click Continue again. Depending on your security settings, you might see a final authentication step. If you don't use the secure login system for two-factor authentication, Interactive Brokers will send you an email with a confirmation number. Type that number into the field provided, then click Continue one more time. Your subscriptions are now active and will take effect immediately. A few important things to know: market data subscriptions are charged per month and aren't prorated, so if you subscribe halfway through the month, you'll still pay the full monthly fee. Also, your account needs to have $500 funded on top of the subscription costs. One last thing, if you don't log into TWS for 60 days, your subscriptions will automatically be added to the termination list and you'll get an email notification. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.